Hi, it's John.
And Shelley.
And this is our workshop on Saturday morning. Leaders, we started off with a sugar push. After the sugar push, we had the leaders do a behind the back movement with the whip time. And leaders, you're going to do a hand change on 2, giving the follower that little J hook that she needs for the whip feeling on 2. So 1 and 2. Leaders, from here, we drop our hands behind the back to go 3 and then on count 4, I step back for 4. And then we just literally, for the basic, we walk the follower out for 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we'll do it this way so you'll see it. So we've got a 1 hand change on 2, 3 and 4, go 5, 6, 7, and 8. We then changed that and had a little fun where we extended it and had the follower walk. So we did 1, 2, 3, and 4, up 5 meters. The followers walked meters. As they walk, I bring my hand down behind the follower's back. When the follower gets a little bit past me, I'm going to slide my hand out, and then I walk away to finish the pattern. We also talked about that we could keep walking, have a little fun, right, and get to this and walk it out. And then from here, I can kind of start walking myself, leaders, and then once the follower sees their slop and I'm facing the slop, leaders, I can back away and finish with my triple. For the followers, Shelley had a little bit of the walks.
Okay, sorry. Okay. I use my hips. You can funk them up by just sending that hip out into a bent knee, walk it through, sell it, have fun with it, and with your triple, maybe even the swivel, sass it up, sweeps, body, have some fun with it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, guys.
The social focused event from A to Z, Ottawa,